Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error certificate date invalid. So how you can fix it? First you need just to go down when where you see your date and just choose the right date. Today we have 11 of April, so we choose 11 of April, and after we do it we check our clock, so also our hours are right. So just choose it. So I don't choose it, I will try again. So just click change settings, date and time. So here you choose change date and time, and here you choose your new date, so 11 of April, and OK, and just click OK. So after we do it, just reload our page, and you see that everything works. So we fix our error. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.